Alright, welcome back to another banger by Strivemont. A lot of you guys have been going crazy in the comments asking me, Strivemont, how the hell do we use support and resistance lines to make money in the stock market? Guys,
what? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
relax, I got you. I'm here to show you the freaking TA and how to use it to make money in the market. Alright? Now, we're gonna start this off by using the infamous Google Slides. It don't get better than this, yo. Free 99 minus the 99. It's free, okay? And it's well presented by who else but Strivemont. So let's get right into it. Let's talk about support lines, right? Support lines occur when a downtrend is leveled by an area of demand. And by demand, it means a lot of buyers want to buy in at this level. Now, you don't want to form a support line until this criteria right here. Normally after a second bounce or third bounce off of the same line. So as you can see in this chart, we see a downtrend and finally we bounce up again. However, the price dropped again and we bounce off of the same level. So now we see a support being shown over here because a lot of buyers are buying at this level right here. And then we have another confirmation about 3 to 4 times. So because we keep bouncing off of this level, this becomes a support. This is a foundation where lots of buyers are looking to buy in, right? So this is bullish. This is good. However, if we do break the support line, we might be looking to go down. Now let's talk about resistance lines, and these occur when an uptrend is leveled by an area of supply. So for example, let's say the stock wants to make an advancement. It's doing very well, however it's then hit with the reversal at a certain level. However, the stock then tries to make its way up again, and when it reaches that level again, it gets shoot down again. So this becomes the resistance lines because a lot of sellers and a lot of people who want to short the stock and take profits also are at this level. So the resistance is when the stock can't go any higher and then we start to see lower lows. However, we could also break out of the resistance and make higher highs. Now there's plenty of times when the support becomes the new resistance and the resistance becomes the new support. For example, in this chart, we see three bounces off the support level around 86.48, and we see 3 bounces off the resistance line around 97.60. However, we finally have a double down or a double bottom, and if we break out of the resistance, we make a higher high. And then when we drop again, we don't drop down to the first support of 86.48. You notice how we drop down to the original resistance lines and we bounce off and then we hit the resistance line one more time. So now this resistance line becomes the new support just because we're bouncing off of it and we're making higher highs. So that's how resistance can become new support, and the same can go as supports becoming the new resistance. Another important thing we're going to be talking about is channels, and this is when parallel trend lines can be sketched with support and resistance lines known as a price channel. So you see how the stock follows this channel? So you could buy in over here, hold up, and when it reaches the resistance of the channel, you have lots of sellers, and we are going higher and higher, and this is what is also called an uptrend, and we can also have a downtrend. Now let's talk about the philosophy about it. Because a lot of traders are watching these key levels and depicting whether or not they're going to buy in or sell. So it is important that when you want to buy or sell, let's say you want to buy in at a support line. You want to see if the stock is able to bounce off of it. Alright, if we break the support line, you don't want to go in unless we bounce back up. However, it's very important that you don't try to play before the candles are shot up. You know what I mean? You don't want to go in before you get confirmation. You want to make sure that we do bounce off the resistance or the support line to do that short or to buy in. Very important. Alright guys, now we're gonna draw support and resistance lines. And I'm gonna show you how we use these to make money in the stock market. Now we're looking at the 4-hour chart on SPY, and I'm gonna only use half of it. I'm not gonna use the full 4-hour chart because we are day trading. So we're gonna use this range of what seems to be about 3 to 4 weeks. And let's get right into it. So let's start the technical analysis by drawing a support line. Where do we see support? We see a lot of bounces off of what is about to be around the 330 level. Alright, and we also have what seems to be the resistance around 340. Because notice how the price goes up and then drops around this level, sells off. Also, we have a bounce, second bounce, a bounce, a bounce. So then this is what our support and resistance lines for this trade, right? And now, how do we make money off of this? So I like to wait until we have a third bounce to start buying into the range. We want to make sure that these are the actual support lines. And because look, for example, this seems to be the support here, right? We have the second bounce. Oh wait guys, we got a special treat today. I gotta call her in. 1 second. Hey, this is Danny from New Jersey. It's Strivemont speaking here. What do you think about the new program?
Hey, Strivemont, dude. I just want to say your program fucking sucks. Holy fucking shit, you backstabbing cunt. I lost $300 on fucking Roku pussy shit.
Oh my god!
Shooting star when it doesn't fucking matter. You didn't even specify that shit. The fucked up Walmart version of a fucking zip recruiter. God damn, you should copy this motherfucking Ricky, fucking Guido Gurden.
Alright, Danny, well appreciated. You know, we have our...
Listen here, man. And first of all, I know you voted for Trump, bitch. I know you voted for Trump.
Look, okay, you know, we appreciate criticism, and we also appreciate support.
I'm sorry, but I just need your viewers to know that you're a fucking fraud.
Okay, I'm gonna hang the video,
You smell
the
like
call.
Umar.
Okay,
I know Umar. You smell good.
Okay, I'm gonna end it. Thank you for your support. Criticism is good to become a better person. Okay, Danny from New Jersey, we're gonna end it here. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, you just heard it firsthand, the beautiful testimony from Danny regarding our program. He's making money, and because of technical analysis, he was able to bring his portfolio up 20% this year. Now, let's get back into it. Now, support and resistance lines. We have 2 bounces off of the support and 2 bounces off the resistance. That's why I draw a line here that shows the resistance and a support line here that shows the support. Now, this is the range I'm going to be trading off of, and we're going to make scalp trades based off of it. So, after this resistance, we sell off. Back at the support line, we have a bounce back up. So I would buy in a call here, or I would buy some stock, ride the price all the way up to the resistance, and then we sell. Okay, we don't want to hold it because we want to play safe, expecting it to sell because we're at that resistance line. Now if it does break out of the resistance line and we have confirmation, then we could go in with, we can up the position and ride it more up. However, we're not going to do that. Because notice how we did sell off again, and we finally break the support line. That's why we have this big drop right here. Now, guys, when you're buying stocks around the support level, you always want to make sure to have a stop loss about 30 to 40 cents below it, okay? Sometimes even $1. Depends on the stock, because you don't want to get stopped out, alright? So notice how we did break the support line, made lower lows, and then we finally bounced up again. Followed by another drop, and then we're up again. And then notice how we trade around this range. So now you know, okay, we're back in the range. The support is acting like the support again. See over here? It bounced up, and we're making higher lows followed by higher highs. Now we have a bullish trend over here. And now I'm going to show you how we can use channels to also trade. Now, we have a range. So we could draw a support, which seems to be here, marking the higher lows, and also on the higher highs, which seems to be like that. Now this is what you call a channel, and normally the stock would trade around this range, and you can make decisions to whether to buy in or sell. So notice how we literally go up and down these support and resistance lines, and then finally we break out of the resistance of the channel. We have a huge pop. However, we did sell back down into the channel again. So we could either expect to bounce off of the support, or we'll break down and then go test that the original resistance line. Alright, so that's how I use channels and support and resistance lines to make money in the stock market. On that note, I'm gonna end the video here. You guys let me know what else you want to see, and I will continue to bring the bangers. On that note, have a good one. Strivemont out.